October 29th, first snow of the season.
The weather says we could get up to 7 inches of snow. Good morning.
Well, it's October 29th, and it's snowing. This year, looks like we're gonna have a white Halloween. It's really pretty out. I was planning on going to Bound Brook today, but obviously not because of this. October 29th, 2011. Pretty big snowstorm, as you can see. Got some pretty colored leaves still on the trees. All these branches bending over. So you can see how much this tree is. All these trees have like bent over. Even those trees, just because the snow is just weighing it down so much. But hopefully it'll be like this around Christmas time. Well, we were hearing a lot of big booms, and I think that's what this is. A huge branch. Actually, over here, our neighbor's fence. It's all broken apart. Normally all these trees are standing up pretty tall. They're all leaning. Normally these trees are all standing together. That branch just snapped off. Well, in the summertime, this was our oasis, and now it's frozen. This was the pool cover that the company gave us, and it's kind of hard to see, but all the snow that I won't. But now it's all frozen. And the pool cover is actually like caved in a little bit. You can see that tree out there. That tree's unfortunately drooping. But this is our pool. Right now, just taking a walk out to the front of the house and see what everything looks like out here. Really pretty. So you can see this tree, that half of it's just leaning over. I think it's the wrong decorations out for the snow. Pretty incredible. Look at that tree. It's like split right down the middle. Poor Halloween decorations. This was that tree I showed you before, and you can see how much it's drooping. Normally it stands up. It's down so low that this branch is almost touching the ground. And normally, these leaves in front of me, and all of that is standing upright. Right now I'm squatting, and that's almost touching the ground. American flag is still standing. Getting snow dropped on me. Trees drooping. That tree's drooping too. October 29th, and our house is covered in snow. There's still colors in the leaves. But there's a good amount of snow on our front lawn, as well as our whole neighborhood.